First class, second class.
Good morning, children. How are you? Are you fine? Very good. All of you must open your English workbook. English workbook. Here, in our previous class, already I explained you what is a declarative sentence, what are the interrogative sentence, declarative sentence, imperative sentence. Already I explained in the previous video, no? Already the kinds of sentences already we learn. Now we are going to learn simple, compound and complex sentences. Today we are going to learn simple, compound and complex sentences. Okay, today we are going to learn simple, compound and complex sentences. First of all, first one is simple sentence. Simple sentences. Simple sentences having subject, verb and object. Means simple sentences having subject and predicate. Which sentence having the complete thought? Means which sentence is having the meaningful is simple sentence. Simple sentences ante enti? Simple sentences is having subject, verb and object. Here one example. I am going to market. Who is going? I is a subject. Where I am going? Market. Market is the object. Going is the verb. A simple sentence is having subject, verb and object, and it is giving the complete thought. Means it's a meaningful sentence. Understand avutunda? It is giving the complete thought ante complete thought means meaningful sentence. Okay, I am going to market. Is it meaningful sentence or not? It's a simple sentence. Simple ga undi, chala simple ga undi. Subject undi, verb undi, object undi. It's very easy sentence. All the simple, all the meaningful and which are giving the complete thought are the simple sentences. They are having subject, verb and object. Simple sentences are having subject, verb and object which giving complete meaning. పూర్తి మీనింగ్ అయితే ఏ సెంటెన్స్లో ఉంటుందో అదే సింపుల్ సెంటెన్స్. Some more examples. New Delhi is the capital of India. Sorry. Joy waited for the bus, for the train. Joy waited for the train. Who is waiting? Joy. Joy is waiting. It's a subject. For what he is waiting? For the train is object. Here waited is the verb. It's in second form. It's in fourth form. Joy waited for the train. It is having subject, verb and object and also giving complete thought. It's a meaningful sentence. It's a complete thought. The sentence is completed. Correct meaning undi indulo. Undi kada? So they are the simple sentences. Okay? They are the simple sentences. Now, second one is compound sentences. Compound. Compound sentences are having two class, two independent class. Compound sentences are having two independent class. రెండు independent class ఉంటాయి. And two independent class join with the conjunction. Two independent class రెండు క్లాసులు ఉంటాయి. ఆల్రెడీ we learned about class. Independent class, dependent class in the first class. In the first lesson. మనకి what are independent class, what are dependent class already I learned you in the previous class. ముందు క్లాస్లో ఫస్ట్ లెసన్లో ఇవే వచ్చాయి మనకు. ఓకే, here compound sentences are having two class. రెండు క్లాస్ ఉంటాయి. Two independent class. They are having two independent class. The two independent class join with the conjunction. రెండు independent class దేంతో conjunction దేంతో యాడ్ అవుతున్నాయి? With the conjunction. What are the conjunctions? And, but, so, because, for, or are. These are the conjunctions. Conjunction means they will join the two sentences or two phrase or two words. They are the conjunctions. Conjunctions ante entra. They will join. Conjunction. Junction means they join two words or two sentences, two phrase or two class. వీటిని జాయిన్ చేసేవి కంజంక్షన్స్. ఓకే, హియర్ ఇన్ ద కాంపౌండ్ సెంటెన్సెస్, the compound sentences are having two independent class and they will join with the conjunction. Okay, they join with the conjunction. What are the conjunctions? Here some of the conjunctions are there which are used in the conjunctions are there which are used in the compound sentences. What are the conjunctions? For, and, nor, but, or, et, and so. These are the conjunctions used in the compound sentences. These conjunctions are called as coordinate conjunctions. Understand me? Compound sentences having two independent class. These two independent class join with these conjunctions. ఈ conjunctions తో మాత్రమే జాయిన్ అవుతాయి. The two independent class join with these conjunctions. What are these conjunctions? For, and, nor, but, or, et, so. These are the coordinate conjunction. These are called as coordinate conjunctions. These are used in the compound sentences. Okay? The short form is FANBOYS. Fanboys. We can recognize these coordinate conjunctions with the short form of fanboys. Fanboys means F for fur, A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for it, S for so. Okay, is that these are the conjunctions used in the compound sentences. I will say one example. They are going, madam, to buy books and pens. Here they are going to buy books and pens. Here and is the conjunction. It is also the coordinating conjunction, no? Because and is there. So this sentence is the compound sentence. It is the compound sentence. How to find out the compound sentence? Only they are having two independent class and join with the conjunctions of these for, and, not, but, or, it. So ఇవి మాత్రమే ఆ సెంటెన్స్లో యూజ్ అవుతాయి. ఆ రెండు ఇండిపెండెంట్ క్లాస్లో ఈ కంజంక్షన్స్తో మాత్రమే జాయిన్ అవుతాయి. బై సీయింగ్ దెమ్ వీ కెన్ ఐడెంటిఫై ఇస్ దట్ ఏ కాంపౌండ్ సెంటెన్స్ ఆర్ ఏ అండ్ కాంప్లెక్స్ సెంటెన్స్. ఓకే, నెక్స్ట్ next one is complex. Complex sentences are having independent class and also dependent class. Their complex sentences also having two class. Complex sentences lo kuda rendu class untayi, rendu sentence untayi. Complex sentences also having two class and they will join with the after, with these conjunctions. What are the conjunctions? After, although, as, because, before, even though, if, since, though, unless, until, when, whenever, whereas, wherever, while. These are also conjunctions. Complex sentences having independent class and also dependent class. The independent class and also dependent class join with these conjunctions. What are these conjunctions? ఈ conjunctions తో మాత్రమే join అవుతాయి. If the two different class join with these sentences, these conjunctions, they are the complex sentences. You must remain in the mind. After, although, as, because, before, even though, if, since, though, unless, until, when, whenever, whereas, wherever, while. If the two different class join with these conjunctions, they are the complex sentences. Okay, in the compound sentences join with fanboys. Fanboys, no? F for fur, A for and, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for it, S for so. Okay? If the two different class join with these conjunctions, they are the compound sentences. If the two different class join with these conjunctions, they are the complex sentences. Okay? F for fur, A for ein, N for nor, B for but, O for or, Y for it, S for so. Okay? By seeing the conjunctions, we can identify that is a compound sentence or a complex sentence. Understand me? ఈ కంజంక్షన్ చూసి దాన్ని ఐడెంటిఫై చేయాలి. అది కాంపౌండ్ సెంటెన్సా లేదంటే కాంప్లెక్స్ సెంటెన్సెస్. ఓకే? బోత్ హ్యావింగ్ ద డిఫరెంట్ క్లాస్. ఇందులో ఇండిపెండెంట్ క్లాస్ రెండు ఉంటాయి, అక్కడ కూడా independent class and also dependent class. Two classes are there. The complex sentences having two class and the compound sentences also having two class. But we can know the variation between compound and also complex sentences by seeing the conjunction. Then choose identify cheyali manamu by seeing the conjunction. A conjunction emundo chusi అదే సెంటెన్స్ ఫైండ్ అవుట్ చేయాలి. ఓకే? if the two class having these conjunctions, that is a compound sentence. If the two independent class having these conjunctions, ఈ conjunctions will complex sentences. Okay? Now open your workbook 15. Open your workbook, page number 15. Okay? I am going to bed early because I am tired. I am going to bed early. It is the one class. I am tired. I am tired is the another class. Two class are there. Two class join with the a conjunction called because. Underline because. Because underline చేసుకోండి. Because is a, see where is because? Because is here, means it is a complex sentence. Okay? It is a complex sentence. All the first one is done for you. Come to second one. We rang the doorbell but no one answered it. And I first underline the conjunction. What is the conjunction there? but, but no, underline but. We rang the doorbell but no one answered it. Conjunction is but. Enduku ఆ రెండు sentences but అనేది two class join with the but. So but underline చేసుకోండి. Now where is but? The compound sentences are in the complex sentences. Where is but? But where is but? But is here, means that's a compound sentence. Okay? Write down compound sentence. Compound sentence. Okay? Next come. Suman began to feel better after he had the medicine. Suman began to feel better is one class. He had the medicine is another class. Both class join with the after. Underline after. AFTR. After it is a conjunction. Underline that. Now see. After. Where is after? Here. Means it's a complex sentence. Write down. Complex sentence. Next one. Even though Sindhu fought hard, she lost the gold medal. Actually, Sindhu fought hard is one class. She lost the gold medal is another class. Two class join with the even though, but it's different. Even though, underline even though. Even though is a conjunction. Underline that. Even though, underline it. Next, where is even though? Here. Means it's a complex sentence. Write down. Complex sentence. Next, They stood in a queue. They stood in a queue. No conjunctions. Are there any conjunctions? Are there two class? రెండు క్లాస్లు కనబడుతున్నాయి అందులో. Means two sentences are there. No. They stood in a queue. There is a subject. In queue is object. Middle verb is there. A sentence which is having subject, verb and object and will give complete thought. వాళ్ళందరూ ఎలా ఉన్నారు? వాళ్ళందరూ క్యూలో నిలబడ్డారు. It's a complete meaning, no? It is a simple sentence. Write down simple. Simple. Simple sentence. Write down. Simple sentence. Next. He is talking on the phone. Here also no conjunctions. Only one class is there. అందులో రెండు క్లాసులు లేవు, కనబడతలేవు మనకు అక్కడ. He is talking on the phone. Where he is talking? Phone. Who is talking? He. Subject, verb and object having complete thought. It is also a simple sentence. Write down. Simple sentence. Okay? Simple sentence. Next. Should I book the tickets or will you book them? Should I book or will you book them? Two are there, two class. Should I book the tickets? Is one sentence. Is one class. Will you book them? Is another class. Two class join with the ORR. Okay? Where is ORR? Here. Means it's a compound sentence. It is a compound. Okay? Write down. Next. Although the kitchen is small, it was well designed. The kitchen is small is one sentence, one class. It was well designed is another class. What is the condition there? Although. 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 Underline that. Although underline. There is although here. Means it is a complex sentence. Write down complex sentence. Next. State. Take next space. State which of the following sentences are compound and which are complex. There are no simple sentences. In this space, no simple sentences. In the simple sentences level, only complex and compound sentences are there. We have to identify them and we have to write down. Okay? Next. Sushma waited for the train, but the train was late. Amma, Sushma waited for the train is one class. The train was late is another class. Two class join with the conjunction of but. 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 Underline that. BUT. But underline cheyandi. Now, where is but? Here. Means it is a compound sentence. Write down compound. Compound sentence. Okay? Next. After I came home, we all had lunch. I came home is one class. We all had lunch is another class. What is the conjunction is added there? After. AFTR. Underline that. AFTR. After is a conjunction. Where is that conjunction? Here. Underline after and it's a complex sentence. Write down complex sentence. Next. I am tired. I want to play games. I am tired is one class. I want to play games is another class. Two class join with the YET. Underline that. YET. Okay, where is why here? Means it is a compound sentence. Write down compound sentence. Next, we couldn't visit the museum for it was closed. We couldn't visit the museum is one class. It was closed is another class. Two class join with the F for fur. Fur is a conjunction. Underline that F for fur. Where is F for fur? Here. Means it's a compound sentence. Write down compound sentence. Okay. Next, wear your seat belt or you might be injured. Wear your seat belt is one class. You might be injured is another class. Two class join with the ORR. Underline ORR. Underline it. Now ORR where? Here. Means it's a compound sentence. Write down compound sentence. Next. Though I like chocolate ice cream. Though I like chocolate ice cream is one chocolate ice cream. I don't eat it often. Amma, I like chocolate ice cream is one class. I don't eat it is another class. Two class having though and often. Though, TH underline. Though, OFTN, often. Underline that. Both the though is the conjunction there, and also often also conjunction. Okay, though is though is used in the complex sentences. Write down complex sentences. Complex. Next, because the bridge wasn't constructed properly, it fell down. The bridge wasn't constructed properly is one class. It fell down is another class. Both are connected with the conjunction of because. Underline because. B-E-C-A-U-S-E. Because. Where is because? Here. Means it's a because is used in the complex sentences. Right, complex sentences. Okay. Next, computers have come a long way since they first came to the market. Computers have come a long way is one class. They first came to the market is another class. Two class join with the since. S-I-N-C-E. Since, underline that. Since is a conjunction. Where is since? Where? Since is used here only. There. Since is used in the complex sentence. So, last one is a complex sentence. Okay? Next. Combine each pair of simple sentences to make compound sentence. Use the conjunction given in the parenthesis to join them. Here some of the conjunctions are given. Here two different sentences are given. So we have to join two sentences by adding the given conjunctions. Here two sentences are given. Rendu sentences ichadu. And then we have to join the two sentences by using the given conjunction. Akkada ichina conjunction tho maatrame manamu join cheyali. Okay? Next. Sunita needed a few new dresses is one sentence. She went shopping. Okay, so now we have to join both sentences with the conjunction of so. Write down. Sunita. Amma, so is a compound sentence, no? Sunita needed a few new dresses. So she went for shopping. So she went shopping. We have to remove the full stop here. Then we have to add the conjunction. మధ్యలో అక్కడ ఏముంది ఫుల్ స్టాప్ ఉంది కదా ఒక సెంటెన్స్ ఆఫ్టర్ డ్రెస్సెస్ we had to remove the full stop. We had to join the conjunction. ఆ మధ్యలో ఏం చేయాలి మనము కంజంక్షన్ జాయిన్ చేసి ఫస్ట్ లెటర్ని actually she went shopping, S capital is there. We had to remove capital and we had to keep small letter. And ending of the two classes we had to keep full stop. ఇది మొత్తం ఇప్పుడు రెండు కలిపేసాము. ఇవి రెండు క్లాస్ అయిపోయాయి. ఇంతసేపు రెండు సెంటెన్సెస్ ఇప్పుడు ఏమైనాయి ఒకటే సెంటెన్స్లో మారిపోయినాయి. ఓకే, వన్ సెంటెన్స్ బట్ హ్యావింగ్ టూ క్లాస్. ఇవి రెండింటిని ఏమంటారంటే క్లాస్ అంటారు. నెక్స్ట్, Dinesh has good vocabulary skills is one sentence. He is bad with spellings is another sentence. Now we have to join both sentences by adding but. Dinesh has good vocabulary skills, but he is bad with spellings. He is bad with spellings. Keep full stop. Next, would you like to go to the movies? Would you rather stay at home? Which one do you like? We had to join both the interrogative questions with the or are. Would you like? Sorry. Would you like? Would you like to? Would you like to go to the movies? Or would you like to go to the movies or stay at home? Stay at home. Question. Or stay at home. Next. We wanted to visit our friends. We didn't have enough money to go to get a flight. Actually, friend, we had to join both sentences by using the conjunction of but. We wanted to visit. We wanted to visit our friends. But what's our problem? We didn't have money. We didn't have enough money. To get a train. Not to get a flight. Next. Remaining. Are you able to do? Nishant did very well in his job interview. Remove full stop and add a YET at. ఏం చేయాలి మీరు ఫుల్ స్టాప్ రిమూవ్ చేసి we had to join YET at and H should be not capital, small. He didn't get a job. H capital is there, no? Remove capital and keep small h and ending full stop. Next, Sixth one. A small kitten followed me home. I gave it a bowl of milk. Remove full stop. A small kitten followed me home. Remove full stop and join the conjunction of so. And ending full stop. Next. Seventh one. Everybody likes Sachin. He is humble. Everybody likes Sachin. For, I'm writing this one. Everybody likes Sachin for his humble. Like this. Seventh one I wrote on the border. Everybody likes Sachin for his humble. Next one. Nor. He didn't want to visit the doctor. Remove full stop and use NOR. Nor. Want to leave the medicine. And he did not. Is there no? Don't need to write. He did not make a circle and don't write that. This one also I am writing on the board. Eighth one. He didn't want to visit the doctor. Didn't want to visit the doctor or to have medicines. He didn't want to visit the doctor or to have medicines. Okay? It's completed. I am giving homework to you. Open your activity book. Read. Amma, open your activity book at the page number 13. Page number 13. Open your activity book at the page number 13. Okay? Read the sentences carefully. Circle the coordinative conjunctions and underline the subordinative conjunctions. Coordinative conjunctions means which are used in the compound sentences. Fanboys. Coordinated conjunctions are fanboys. F for and fanboys are there, no? The conjunctions which are used in the compound sentence, we have to make a circle. And for and N for nor fanboys. Our conjunctions in circle cheyali. Subordinate conjunctions means the conjunctions which are used in the complex sentences. Complex sentences unnai, the after, although, even though, before, since, they are the subordinate conjunctions. The conjunctions which are used in the complex sentences. In tables rasanu. Complex sentences unnai kada. A conjunctions use chesinemo underline cheyali. Compound sentences lo use chesina conjunctions nemo circle cheyali. Okay? Take the help of course book. ఇవన్నీ మీ కోర్స్ బుక్లో ఉంటాయి, చూడండి ఒకసారి. Read next. Take next page. Read each sentences and identify whether it is a simple sentence or a complex sentence by drawing a line to correct box. One is done for you. Amma, simple sentences not having conjunctions. Simple sentences lo conjunctions undavu. Okay? Now compound sentences are complex sentences having the conjunctions. Complex sentences conjunctions ఉంటాయి. దాన్ని చూసి మీరు మ్యాచ్ చేయండి. ఫస్ట్ వన్, because he played well, the boy is happy. Because is a conjunction. Because is the conjunctions, that is the subordinate conjunction. So complex sentence. Here, I love to read. No conjunction. Simple sentence. So join to match to simple sentence. Next, we ran home to eat dinner. It is also simple sentence. No conjunction. like that. After the show, after, it's a complex sentence. చూసుకుంటూ మీరు దేనికి మ్యాచ్ అయితే చేయండి. దట్ ఈస్ హోంవర్క్ టు యూ. అండ్ నెక్స్ట్ ఆల్సో mark each of the given sentences with S. C. S stands for simple sentence, C stands for compound sentence, which are not having the conjunctions is a simple sentence. A sentence having the conjunction is the compound sentence. See and match it. Okay? Now write a C for the compound sentence. See, first one I will tell. We went to a fair yesterday evening. We went to a fair yesterday evening. That is a simple sentence. We went to a fair yesterday evening. It's a simple sentence, no? Write a S. Next, basketball players are careful, but they still get hurt often. But is a conjunction. And also compound, ఇది కోఆర్డినేట్ కంజంక్షన్ కదా, కాబట్టి అదేంటి, ఏ సెంటెన్స్ ఇది, ఇట్ ఈస్ అ కాంపౌండ్ సెంటెన్స్. కాబట్టి సి పెట్టండి. ఇది చాలా సింపుల్ రా. కంజంక్షన్స్ ఉంటేనేమో కాంపౌండ్ సెంటెన్స్, కంజంక్షన్ లేకుంటేనేమో సింపుల్ సెంటెన్స్. సింపుల్ సెంటెన్స్ ఎస్ పెట్టండి, కాంపౌండ్ సెంటెన్స్కి సి పెట్టండి. ఓకే, సి ద కంజంక్షన్, కంజంక్షన్ ఉందా లేదా చూసుకోండి. ఓకే, దీస్ 3 pages are your homework. 13, 14 and 15 pages are homework for you. Okay, today's class is completed. Bye.